Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how I dyed my hair blonde. These are the products that we're going to be using today. That's the Revlon dark ash blonde and medium ash blonde. I used the purple shampoo. That was like the cheaper one versus the actual purple shampoo. It's called like Shine and Silver. I used the 40 volume developer, the BW2 bleach, aluminum foil, and this is my wig. Now I did dye it like a brownish color, so I thought that was gonna make it easier. So let's get started. I did one pack of the BW2 at a time, so I put that in and poured the 40 volume developer in the mix, and I just mixed it together in my mixing bowl that I got from my local beauty supply store until I got this thick pasty consistency. And then I went ahead and I separated the hair, and I was just applying it to the hair. Now where I went wrong was not applying it to both top and bottom, like not going through it, like make sure it was like it wasn't thoroughly through the hair. So that was definitely like mistake number one, and that was mistake number two. Mistake number one was not having enough products. I didn't have enough of the bleach powder or the 40 volume developer. So yes, but I'm just right now, I didn't know that so I'm just applying it all over until I realized you use the first pack for the front, like what are you gonna do about the back? So I just went ahead, whatever I had left, I was just applying that all over the hair, and I tried my best to mix it all the way through the hair to the point where I just poured the volume developer all over the hair, hoping that it was gonna help it take the bleach, which it didn't help, but you can't help, you know, it doesn't hurt to try. So I let it sit for like 20 minutes because I didn't know, I knew to wait for it, but I didn't want the hair to be like stringy and over processed, but little did I know. So this is how the hair is looking after I washed it with the purple shampoo and I let it air dry. So it still was looking brassy to me. So I went ahead and I used my Wella toner. It is in the T18. That is the number, the shade, I don't know. So for every one bottle of T18, we use two of the developer, just like that. And I went ahead and I mixed it in my mixing bowl until it was like this like white pasty color. And then I just poured it all over the hair, and I just tried my best to massage it. And I repeated the same thing with the other bottle that I had. Yeah, so that was like my favorite part, was toning the hair, because when I was toning it, I'm like, oh my god, this is the color that I want. Like, it's gonna come out this color. Little did I know, girl, you was playing yourself, because it did not come out that color. But that was the color that I was going for. That's not the color I got. But I did let that sit for like 30 minutes before I washed it off. Okay, so I ended up dyeing the hair again because I'm like, this is not the color that I wanted. It turned out like some like red copper tone color, and I was like, no. So I'm gonna go back again and dye and bleach the hair again. So I went back to the beauty supply store. I got more W2. No, this wasn't W2. It was the other one, another brand. And then I got the 40 volume developer. I got the Wella toners. I got 2 T14s and 2 T18s, and I'm like, this is gonna work, So I go and I bleach the hair. I let it sit for like an hour and like 30 minutes, you guys. I'm like, no, because it has to be like golden blonde. I'm following what Sophiology said in her video. It has to be this color. So I'm just sitting on the couch watching it lay on the floor, and then when I go to feel it, I'm like, oh my god, this thing's so really, really hot. But then I was like, there's still some parts of the hair, as you guys can see, that's still like not this color. So then I was just like, okay, so it needs to be like a golden blonde. Once it gets to that golden blonde, then that's when I know that it's dyed. So eventually I was like, you know what, let me take it out, because it got really, really hot, because I did wrap it with aluminum foil. And once I began to wash the bleach out, the hair was coming out, like it felt stringy. I was like, the hair felt really, really stringy. And as you guys can see right here, there's like some short little spots right there, like back here. There's like the short spot. up here is where I lost a lot of the hair, so because of that I had to cut off a good amount. I was out here just, you know, layering hair like I knew what I was doing, but I guess it looks okay, so I guess I did something. So yes, so this is how I got this color by accident, and I was really scared to rock it because I'm like, oh my gosh, this is so blonde, like this is very blonde. I was going for an ash blonde, not blonde, and this is what I got. So it took me a whole week or 3-4 days for me to dye the hair and for it to not come out like how I want to. Dyeing your hair ash blonde or blonde, it's a lot. So I think I want to try it again, but I kind of don't want to. I actually want to give it to somebody to dye for me ash blonde because I still want that ash blonde color. Like, I will not be satisfied until I get the ash blonde color that I want. I'll insert a picture here to show you guys the color that I really want, that I just feel like will be like snatching souls. Okay, we don't want to snatch souls because but you know what I'm saying. So yeah, so far with this color, I've gotten a lot of compliments. I have this little piece right here just won't let me be great, but I've gotten a lot of compliments. Like, I feel so out of my comfort zone with this hair color, but I'm like, why not? Like, my hair is definitely safe underneath here, so why not experiment a little bit? Because it's like, girl, rock it. You know, I pay money for this hair, and I'm gonna rock it till I can't rock it no more. So yeah, this is the color that happened by accident, and that I happen to like. Some days I look at it like, girl, mind you, I've only been wearing it for like 2-3 days. I'm just like, but yeah, it still holds to a curl. I just have to use like my flexi rods, which is what I did. I put some heat and I use my straightener, and from the heat I just put flexi rods in. But I only left it for like 30 minutes, so the curls have dropped. But if I leave the flexi rods in for longer, it'll definitely stay. So this hair from RPG Hair is like the shiz naive, okay? This hair withstood a lot, and it's still here. It's just a little bit short, but that's it. I watch all of the YouTube videos. I've watched them all, and I still did it wrong. I know where I messed up was not getting enough the bleach powder. If I had gotten all the products that I needed, then I wouldn't have had this hair color. But because I didn't, then that's how I got this hair color. But yes, you guys, who says black girls can't rock blonde hair? Huh? What were you saying? Oh, okay. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys enjoyed this fail at me dyeing my hair ash blonde, give this video a big thumbs up. And if you want to see more of me on your timeline, subscribe to your girl. What are you waiting for? Just to do it, okay? Do it. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. God bless. Oh no. Bye. God bless.